People, remember we say one team, one dream. See we are? Sheng say, Romy, spend the money good and we spend it. She go to St. Elizabeth with our friends and families tomorrow. We are going to St. Elizabeth to help the people as best. See there? Little care package, little thing. We're outside. Big up Honey Bun. That way I did. Big up Grace. If big up people and we help give you some discount and help you. See around us, sir. And a joke thing we I do with my side. See it there? Ply. Romeich Entertainment, major marketing I give you no ply. See it there? Big up LP Azar. Them help you and give you some discounted price thing. We have whole heap of tent, nail, shovel, rope, everything. I cool I give you some free water. Them so forward. Honey Bun, big up on yourself again, people. Remember, you know, one team, one dream, Romeich Entertainment, Shensea, Ding Dang, Rave as the whole away. But outside tomorrow, we are coming to St. Elizabeth to self and come people and help them. No matter how small it is, we are give back and help people. See, look at Twinkie, they don't get kinky, the rain is here. That is what we're talking about, people. Help each other, it is needed. Have life. Not beat life.
Why does it need? Come to the room. Gone. Here. Them one to one to she, one to she, and one to him. Yes. I'm going to give it some fly. Okay. All the two